Alright, I already tried to get some rest, and now we've got energy again to go there and experience the wave, the crazy waves here in Nha Trang. Now we're here. Oh my gosh. The force is like really strong, and the wave is too high. The wave is crazy. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Woo! Oh my. Oh yeah. That's it. Woo! Enjoying it a lot. Oh, let's wait for another wave. The seabed is so uneven now. Oh, what is that? Woo! No, it's getting higher. Woo! It's so smooth. Here it is! Wow. Another one! Wow! And another one! I have to protect my eyes. Here's another one! Higher than higher. Woo! Whoops. Here it is. Oh, it's too deep here. My eyes are burning. Yeah. No more waves. I'm really afraid to go there. I think it's too deep already. Here it is, another one. Woo! And another big wave. Wow! Another one. It's really crazy. here. Oh, look at this! And another one! Woo! Woo! Wow, look at the wave! Crazy waves. Another incoming! Woo! Incoming! Woo! Wow, that's another! They're smiling. Hi. Oh, another one! Yeah! And this one is also big. Oh, incoming! Woo! Oh, my eyes! My eyes are burning! This is like a great cardio exercise. All right, I'm tired. I'm really tired. Let's take a rest, maybe. Woo! Somebody's like having a program there. Oh, the wind is like really cold now. Woo! Another one! Yeah! Woo! It's really good. Let's go. Come on. Oh wow. I have to protect my eyeglasses. I don't want to lose it. Oh, somebody's like playing some music over there. Oh, I'm gonna miss Nyatarang, Vietnam. It's really nice. Hey! Woo! Yeah! I'm enjoying the best of everything here in Nyatrang. The water is like really warm, but the wind is like a little bit cold. Look at that! Oh, this one is too big! Wow! Another one. We need to take a rest. Alright, like your vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, let's next. Bye bye. Woo. Somebody's trying something. Is there?
Anh chị chúng ta hãy cùng nhau và lấy điện thoại ra và liên lạc với đồng đội của mình để tập trung về chương trình.
No, it's really cold.
Để chương trình của chúng ta được bắt đầu ngay bây giờ. Xin cảm ơn rất nhiều.